Hi, how are you? Matt Watson here from CarWow. So I'm sat in the new BMW iX and behind me is a BMW X7. Both of these cars are the 50, so similar power, but more on that in a moment. You see, I'm going to have a tug of war to see which one of these has the most pulling power and traction. Let me tell you about this iX. It has 2 electric motors and combined they put out 523 horsepower and 765 Newton meters. Quite a heavy car this, but that does help you in tug of war. It's all about putting your power down onto the ground. And this thing weighs, because of all its batteries, 2,510 kilos. Also costs from £94,000. Now electric cars aren't that great for towing normally, but this one has a decent towing capacity of 2,500 kilos. However, that's not as impressive as the X7, which has a towing capacity of 3,500 kilos. That is powered by a 4.4 litre twin turbo V8 with 530 horsepower and 750 Newton meters of torque. So a little less torque than this. Also, it's a bit lighter, well, relatively speaking. It comes in at 2,490 kilos. It's also less expensive, just under £100,000. Now that car's being driven by Nabil from Topaz. Now I want to say a big thanks to Nabil for lending us his car for this tug of war. And if you want to check out his channel, which is awesome because he's got loads of insane hypercars that they work on at Topaz, please check the link in the description below. Go onto their channel, the latest video, and say thanks for letting Matt tug your car. That sounds weird, but anyway, you get the idea. Let's just speak to Nabil actually. How you doing, Nabil? You all right?
I'm good, not bad.
This is the first time I'm doing this kind of event, so I'm looking forward to it.
I like the way you call it an event, like we're at some kind of car Olympics, but yeah, I guess it is an event. It will be if we damage them.
Do you think that the petrol-powered BMW will beat the electric BMW in a tug of war? What do you reckon?
I think the petrol is going to have it. I think the dump of that electric power is just going to come in a bit too much, too aggressive. With petrol, you can probably feather it in a bit more.
Especially as that X7 is yours. Now, before we get on with this tug of war, do you know that you can now sell your car through CarWow? All you have to do is upload some photos, a description, and our dealers will bid on your car to make sure you get a good price for it. Dead easy to do. And if you click on the pop-out banner up there or follow the link in the description below, you can find out more about that. Alternatively, if you want to do it at a later date or want to tell your friends and family about it, just Google "Wow Me CarWow" and we will wow you. Let's get on with this tug of war. Oh, I just want to show you this actually. When you turn this car on, it makes these kind of like sci-fi noises. Anyway, let's do it.
Buy, sell,
CarWow.
Right then, Nabil, take this strain, just apply a bit of power so we've got the rope nice and taut, and then I'm going to count it in. You ready? Okay. 3, 2, 1, tug! Come on. Come on. I was moving forward. My traction's just not letting me do anything. My power is going up and down, but nothing's really happening. Oh, I'm starting to go backwards now. Come on, get some traction. My car's just making this kind of weird woo noise, like Hans Zimmer's like symphony. Are my wheels spinning? Oh, 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 oh no! Oh no! No, stop, stop, stop! Oh, I got destroyed. That was really weird. I was just like spinning my wheels and it was just burning a hole in the grass, then I lost traction and you just took over.
I was waiting for my time. The moment I felt a little bit of pressure being released, that was my time.
Oh, bugger. Okay, Nabil, I'd like to have another go at this, okay, just to be sure. Are you up for that?
Let's do it.
Here we go then. 3, 2, 1, tug. No, 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 no. No, 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 humiliation. Humiliation, lots of humiliation. Oh, Nabil, you've won again. Stop. I quit. Electric power for the loss. I think I need to go with some good old-fashioned petrol power to defeat you, and I've got just the car to do that with. You might recognise it.
It's gonna be my car, isn't it?
It's going to be his other car. Oh yeah, I've jumped into an AMG G63, and this is a proper hardcore off-roader. A proper ladder frame chassis, rigid rear axle. I've got 3 locking diffs. I've got a low range mode for my 9-speed automatic gearbox. I've got a lot of weight as well, 2,560 kilos. And that should help me. As should the fact that I've got a 4-litre twin-turbo V8 with 585 horsepower and 850 newton meters of torque. It's an expensive car though, this. It costs £165,000 compared to starting price of just under £100,000 for the X7. And if in case you're wondering, that iX, that costs from £94,000. Anyway, what I'm going to do now is actually just put up a stat panel so you can compare the stats of all 3 cars. If you want to pause the video, you can just check that out for yourself right now. There you go. So let's go on with this tug of war. So Nabil, do you think the table is going to be turned this time? Because I've got everything on this car for off-roading. I reckon I'm going to kick your ass.
This might be the first time ever that you beat me, because if you remember, you haven't beat me yet. So this might be the first time, and I was going to say I was going to be in the G-Wagon, but you took the key very quickly, didn't you?
Yeah, I'm not stupid. Right, I want to beat you with your car. So let's do this. You ready? Let's take the strain. The strain is taken. I'm going to count this in then. Ready? 3, 2, 1, tug. No. What the actual?
I got him. Alright, see you later, man. It's your driving, it's not the car, it's your driving.
Stop. What happened there?
The person driving the G-Wagon doesn't know how to drive. I think that's what happened.
Yeah, thanks for that. I want to try something else, right? I'm going to actually go normal range mode and not low range, because when I'm in low range mode, I've got the stability control off and it kind of loses traction straight away. And you've got very street orientated tyres on this. This has never been off-road before, right? Is that correct?
This is the most off-road it's ever been in its life.
Okay then, Nabil, I've got the car just set up with this stability on, no diff locks, no low range, so I will benefit from traction control now. So no excuses then, right?
No excuses, man. Do you know what? Just to make you feel better, I've got nothing on here. Everything is all off. Traction control, stability, everything's off. I'm
glad you clarified that then, because when you said I've got nothing on at all, I was just picturing you sat there completely buck naked. Anyway, that's my problem. Let's do this. Take the strain. 3, 2, 1, tug.
Come on.
No. Oh. Oh, no. It keeps on just making me go backwards a little bit. Right, stop. This car's starting to beep all. Active brake assist, functions limited, see owner's manual, active whatever else, active distance assist, inoperative. Yeah, it's not happy. But I think you pulled me back quite a way. So once again, the X7B to the G.
That's what I'm talking about, is payback.
Payback for what? You won the first one and the second one and this third one? What?
It's for you choosing the wrong car, that's what it is.
Anyway, if you want to check out Nabil's channel, links in the description. Topaz, okay? Go check them out. And if you're thinking about selling a car, go to carwow. Add-ins will be on your car, get a great price for it. You can do that by clicking on the pop-out banner or follow the link in the description below. Anyway, I hope you'll enjoy the video. If you did, give it a like. Click on those windows there for some more videos. And if you click on that box there, you can go to our carwow best SUV page where we rank every single SUV so you can see which are the best. Thanks for watching.